People wanna know how to find that feeling. Wanna know how we got that groove. They're thirsty for the juice, but I'ma tell you the truth. It runs in my family.
Welcome to Demon Mode, EXE Elijah. This is all because you have turned off your computer 30 times. Now the background has been changed to Galus, the font is now Creepster, and the watch has now been decreased to 55 minutes. By the way, we will be using only one Demon Mode, since we won't be using 3 Demon Modes this time for the next 3 chances.
Okay. I need backup. EXE Elu, and EXE Cindy. Get over here.
What is it, EXE
What
Elijah?
seems to be the problem?
I just got a JTGB06, Zack Lightning, and Chuckles error on my computer. Can you please help me get rid of it?
Really? Chuckles is back? And he brought his 2 friends over here? Why can't he go out with me, so that way, we can be together?
EXE Cindy, how freaking dare you try to flirt with Chuckles? You know that he still hates you. That's it. We took away another chance for that. Now you have 19 chances left and the watch has now been lowered to 50 minutes.
Step back. Let me turn this system off for you.
Okay, you know what? We are absolutely fed up with you. If you turn off this computer one more time, then you will see what happens. Also, the timer has been chopped to 45 minutes, aka 3/4 of an hour.
Well, let's turn it off again and see what happens. My gosh. That kinda got us good. What is going on?
Ha 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 ha. We scared you once again. That's what you get for turning off this computer, if I counted correctly, 33 times. And now look what have you done. You 3 have ticked us off so much, that you just caused us to go into our second demon modes. Not only that, but you just made the wallpaper switch to an abandoned hallway, the fonts to flickers, and the timer to 40 minutes.
Now you only have 17 chances left to listen to us. By the way, our voices have been switched back to Matthew, Joey, and Eric, but with a mixture of Damien. And another reason why I am using the Eric voice instead of my real voice, it's because I am unable to record my real voice on FL Studio. So this will have to do. But seriously, if you keep turning it off, then your computer will be taken away, permanently. So stop it already. My gosh.
You can't be freaking serious right now. That has to be by far the scariest jump scare me and my demon friends have ever seen. And I almost passed out, you 3 pieces of crap. You know what, JTGB06? Instead of stretching you, I am going to throw a boulder at you and see how you like it. Take this.
you serious, Sex Elijah? How dare you throw a boulder at Joshi? Who gave you the bright idea to do that crap? Don't answer that. Anyway, since you decided to do that action, that will also count as another turn-off capacity. Now the timer has been sliced to 35 minutes and you now have 16 chances left.
You honestly think this is a joke, right? Well, think again, because it is not. You are literally making our record level increase more and more every time you turn off this Windows Longhorn computer. Another time reduction has occurred and it is now 30 minutes, aka a half hour. And you know what we think of you three? We think that you are the worst demons ever to listen to us.
What? Oh my freaking gosh. How freaking dare you say that? That's it. You also gotta get this.
What is your freaking problem? EXE Hello? How freaking dare you get Sonic LTXE to jump scare us? You know that this background was used for EXE modes. We took away another chance from you for doing that crap. Now the clock has been sliced to 25 freaking minutes. We are so freaking enraged at you because of what we did. Now we better listen to us very carefully. If you even think about turning off this computer one more time, and say goodbye to us everything in words, and say hello to us everything in words. So start turning it off and if you say.
There is no escape from your nightmares.
Looks like you three got scared again. Now that we have evolved into our true demon modes, you now have 13 chances remaining, which is an unlucky number. That jump scare serves you right for what you have been causing all the time. And there are a few things that we can't forget. The background has been switched to a wall of skulls, the fonts are now modified drip, and the digital clock has been decreased to 20 minutes. By the way, we have decided to change the text color from white to yellow, just in case if people can't see the text. We are not impressed with your behavior at this very moment. You three are literally acting like rascals. aka the bunny who scared the shit out of family so much that they had to move to Tallahassee, Florida, just so they won't deal with her aggressive behavior anymore.
Thank you. Finally. It's about time someone understands me.
Anyways, you are now down to your last dozen chances, and another time subtraction has been activated and is now 15 minutes, aka a quarter of an hour. Now, please use your last dozen chances wisely.
You know what? Face my knuckle sandwich, you stupid teenager.
You need to leave!
Yeah? How do you like getting punched in the face? That's what you get for infecting my computer with your error.
EXE Elijah? I think you may have ticked them off.
Wait, what? jump scaring us all the time? Especially with your devil mumps?
Absolutely not. What is wrong with you, you stupid idiotic demon? How freaking dare you not catch me with freaking face? Those chuckles, and nudity. That was very unacceptable of you to do that. Not only that, but it also causes turning off your freaking computer. We swear, if you turn off your computer one more time, then we will be severe. Jimmy Barnett, everyone should over here. Also, the watch has been lowered to 10 minutes.
Oh really? You are gonna bring Elijah over here again? Whatever. But wait a second. Sophiana and Judy Barnhart? I wonder what they look like.
I don't know, EXE Cindy. But I think we should turn it off again to find out.